What's going on, everybody? This video we got we're gonna open a Chaos Rising booster bundle and a sleeve blister. Managed to catch a restock on this. Still dealing with the FedEx debacle, so hopefully we can get that resolved. Here in a couple hours, as the time of recording, Pokemon are gonna reveal the 30th anniversary. We are going to that video is probably gonna go up before this one. Before this one. So whenever the news comes out, I'm gonna react to it. Probably record it tomorrow morning. But let's go ahead and hop into this one. Dear Arceus, let's pull banger. Amen. All right, let's go. We're gonna open the sleeve pack last, booster bundle first, and then go from there. And I'm already struggling this morning. Let me get my box cutter then. Six packs. We're looking for the Greninja. Also, I think my other chase is the Ampharos IR. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Also, the Mega Greninja, whatever. The colors on that one really pop, so hopefully we hit that one. But other than that, let's see what we can get out of this thing. Here we go. Got something in the back. Patrat, Skrelp, Quilladin, Phantom, Deoxys, Special Red Card, Avalugg, Remoraid, it's regular EX, Delphox Reverse, Cobalion EX. Not bad. Not bad. Another start. Let's warm up a little bit. I am going to sleeve that. Yeah, let's do that. Actually. Let's do this. Let's try to create some better stacks. I'll get a better setup eventually. Pack number 2. We're still recording. Last time I tried to film, I've been having a lot of recording issues, so hopefully we don't have any today. Patrat, Vulpix, Sliggoo, Chespin, Deoxys, Glossopod. Someone said that there's an error with this card, so I'm gonna try to find it. Tauros, Emma, Froakie, Delphox Hollow, Energy. Alright, pack number 3. Breaks in. Seeing something maybe. Mareep, Donphan, Wimpod, Sudowoodo, Delibird, Deoxys, Chespin, A to Z's Tranquility, Mega Greninja full art. These full arts look nice. This is the first time I pulled an actual full art. We're going to have to look that one up. Probably a couple bucks. If it's clean, it might go in the grading pile. And I just dropped it. Yeah, this might go in the grading pile. Yeah, we might grade this for bulk whenever PSA opens back up. That's going to go there. Alright, not a bad rip. Halfway through now. Let's see if we can pull an IR and SIR. Oh yeah, the Crobat and the Tauros is dope. If you saw my videos, you know I have those. I got those going to PSA in Japanese. Maybe. Ampharos, Fennekin, Baltoy, Metang, Garbodor, Delibird. Yeah, we got something. Another full art. Roxy's Performance. Watchog. Bang! Bang! We got it. Mega Greninja EX. Wow. Bang. Let's go. Let's go. Bang. Banger, banger, banger. Trevenant. Let's go. I need to work on my editing skills. Let's go. Hey, this is a... Alright, we got 2 packs left. We got the chase card. That's crazy. We'll look at this. We'll look at it later for grading. We might have to send that off. Even though I don't know if I want to pay 80 bucks right now. Let's go. Alright, here we go. I don't care what we pull now. Trubbish, Fennekin, Pumpkaboo, Carnivine, Emma, Garbodor, Great Hallnet. I think that's karma for the FedEx deal. I ain't even... Well, I am still kind of mad. But that's karma. Chestnut, Gudra, Ho-Oh Hollow. I like that hollow, by the way. That Ho-Oh Hollow is sick. Yeah, I know the GameStop did a Cosmos Hollow. I just don't like the GameStop stamp, but I'm not gonna pay 80 bucks. All right, now I'm in a good mood. It's a good Monday now. I got cards sliding all over the place that I need to list for bulk. Oh my goodness. Stop. Emolga, Bergmite, Minccino, Litleo, Deoxys, Avalugg, A to Z's Tranquility, Frogadier, Deoxys, the Deoxys is dope, Chestnut, Fire, and Code Card. Alright, we got one more pack left. Mega Greninja. Sleeve pack, here we go. I was gonna say I hadn't pulled nothing good in a while too. My hands have gotten cold, but really, if you look at my pull rates over the last few pack openings on and off camera, they're still bad. That's like my 3rd or 4th SIR in like 40 or 50 packs. So saw something. Might be a regular hollow though. Let's see what we got. Sliggoo, Emolga, Quillfish, Litleo, Sudowoodo, Emma, Ninetales, Bergmite, Keldeo. I thought I saw something. Leaf Energy, and that's gonna be it. Wow, let me look at this. And it looks clean. I just don't know if it's centered. I don't know if it's centered. Gosh, we're gonna have to roll the dice on this anyway. We're gonna have to. I don't have a damn top loader around me. Shoot. Oh, wait. Haha. I got card savers. Yeah, you're going in a card saver ASAP. Alright, now let's go over to the screen and see how we did. We obviously we know how we did with Greninja. I really like this SIR. I love the colors on that one. We need to go here. Let's do this. Price high to low, because this is gonna be up here. Cards. There we go. Easy filter. 456 currently. So yeah, we're gonna have to do something with that. Now I'm stuck. I gotta look at PSA and see what we're gonna do. That's tough. What are the Mega Greninja full art? $6, not bad. And then a regular Cobalion EX, which is probably like 50 cents. If y'all see it, let me know. It's probably on page 4. Don't tell me it's on the first page. Am I blind? Oh, 45 cents. There we go. Oh, man. But if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.